The fact that Mercedes unveiled the CLA EV over the weekend at the Munich Auto Show is quite astonishing. This new EV will replace the CLA class, which was formerly recognized for its gas-powered vehicles when they are phased out. This revolutionary vehicle, which is nearly ready for production, has an impressive appearance and a 400-mile or more range. Compared to the Model 3, which has a range of about 320 miles, this is far higher. Mercedes is increasing the bar not only with their range, but also with their level of luxury competence. A widescreen digital display in the cockpit will add to the attraction of the CLA EV. This vehicle is anticipated to hit the road in the next year or two, and as a potential rival to the Tesla Model 3, it's something that all Tesla investors should be watching. Although Tesla has continued to lead the EV market, new rivals are beginning to surface, and if appropriate action is not taken, these businesses may begin to take market share away from Tesla. It's true, yet unsettling. While Tesla works hard to become the industry leader by producing the greatest electric cars, other EV manufacturers aren't doing nothing. Rivaling Tesla's models, more electric vehicles are beginning to appear on the market. This is probably the tale of the Mercedes CLA, a long-range sedan based on an electric vehicle idea that is obviously targeting Tesla. Mercedes claims that the concept CLA will utilize the modular architecture platform of the manufacturer to attain a range of 466 miles, which is far longer than Tesla's updated long-range Model 3, which can go 421 miles on a single charge. We have to admit, quite the competitor. Therefore, is it possible that this vehicle will render Tesla's Model 3 obsolete? Let's investigate. The updated Model 3 isn't yet accessible in the US. It's only available in China and Europe. I kept checking the Tesla website last night to see if it was available in the US, but it's just in China and Europe right now, which makes sense given that the China factory was retooled first. We've been waiting for this, but what may surprise people more is that the most costly Tesla models, the Model S and Model X, are still getting cheaper. These models are now eligible for the $7,500 tax credit under the U.S. Inflation Reduction Act thanks to the price reduction. Elon Musk has made it clear to everyone that he is going all out to seek volume with this move. Elon Musk has consistently maintained that they are prepared to forego financial gain in order to safeguard expansion. Given how difficult it is to compete with Tesla on price, this indicates that they are prepared to forego profit margins or gross margins in order to keep their market share. At the Munich Motor Show in 2023, Mercedes-Benz recently showcased a new concept CLA class. This new idea uses powertrains from the Vision EQXX concept from the previous year and is based on Mercedes-Benz's modular architecture. Mercedes claims that their first entry-level EV would have a 466-mile range on a single charge thanks to a new battery system, efficient drivetrain technology, and a design built around their new 800-volt modular architecture EV platform. The best parallel for this new Mercedes vehicle is probably the Tesla Model 3, even though it appears to be just another vehicle manufacturer's introduction. It's unclear how much this concept CLA will cost, but Mercedes intends to market and sell it as an entry-level EV. Mercedes-Benz is adept at making concepts appear futuristic, and the concept CLA is no exception. With its 800-volt architecture, it can rapidly charge devices up to 250 kilowatts. It also features a super screen and the new MBOS operating system. Up to 750 kilometers of driving range are promised by the most efficient model, which boasts excellent economy. This approach is especially intriguing when compared to Tesla, the largest player in the electric vehicle market. This car and the Model 3 have been compared a lot, which raises the possibility that the Model 3's superiority could be challenged by a more adventurous and range-extending design. Over the years, Tesla has seen fierce competition in terms of automotive features and designs, as well as vehicle manufacturing and delivery volume. For example, when Lucid manufactured a sizable number of EVs in 2022, a number of Tesla critics expressed pessimism regarding the company's demand and stock price decline. Many even predicted that Tesla will soon vanish from the face of the earth since the competition was gaining ground on the company. But as any lover of Tesla knows, these pessimistic assertions are unfounded. EV producers such as Lucid are merely attempting to rival Tesla by providing high-end electric cars, but at this rate, they will probably not last long. The same holds true for other businesses making a valiant effort to rival Tesla. Tesla has established a long-lasting brand reputation. It will take many years for rival automakers to create comparable vehicles that can threaten Tesla's dominant position in the market. The EV brand has come to be associated with high-end and economical electric vehicles. Undoubtedly, the Mercedes CLA may slightly reduce the demand for Tesla's Model 3, but the car still has a ways to go. Not much needs to be worried about. Tesla is performing well, and it will take more than a high-end EV to reduce its market value. For many years, Tesla has been a frontrunner in the electric vehicle market, continuously surprising the sector with incredible advancements. This automaker has outperformed many of its rivals in amazing ways, despite a variety of market obstacles. Unlike most companies that are struggling to stay afloat, it is still making waves in the industry. Not just in the US, but in all of its international markets, Tesla has expanded the number of cars it produces and delivers. The EV manufacturer reportedly delivered millions of cars since it began production and is still increasing it in order to produce up to 20 million electric vehicles by 2030. By expanding its gigafactories, Tesla will be able to meet its electric vehicle production goals and generate additional revenue for the carmaker. Tesla can then implement innovations to further solidify its position in the clean energy market once it has more revenue. This indicates that the business will succeed both domestically and internationally, in addition to the markets in which it presently operates. Tesla has already unveiled the Powerwall 3, their most recent home battery backup system, which has a built-in solar inverter and increased power throughput. When compared to the Powerwall 2, which is essentially a battery, this arrangement allows for a more vertically integrated home solar power installation for new setups. As time goes on, Tesla will probably continue to invest in innovations like these. Over time, this will be advantageous for investors as well as Tesla as a business. Overall, Tesla is a highly rated EV company with strong potential to dominate the industry in the future due to its increasing projects. With proper execution, Tesla is likely to achieve most of its planned projects, which could see its stock price skyrocket. Do you think the CLA is a strong competitor to the Model 3? Tell us in the comments below. Click on the next video that appears on your screen to find out more about Tesla's recent activities. I'll see you over there. Tesla contains risks, just like any other investment, so purchasing its stock ought to be a planned component of your retirement plan. This is the proper course of action, in our opinion, and Tesla may be really helpful in protecting your retirement funds. Since this is all conjecture, it's acceptable to harbor doubts. A financial counselor should be consulted as well as yourself before making any investment decisions, especially ones that affect your retirement plan. How do you feel? Tell us in the comments below. Please click on the following video to see more about what Tesla has been up to in the previous few days. I'll see you over there. I took care to organize and fix the text without changing any of the original information.